All right guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another day. This is the morning of the show. We made it to the show. As you can see, there's a lot of people waiting in line. We have all of our rigs here, all of our trucks waiting in line. I got about 10 of my buddies here waiting in line right now, and we're just waiting to get in. There's a lot of cars, a lot of trucks. There's gonna be a lot of rows trying to get in. They will go in one row at a time. Once I get inside the show, I'm gonna bring you more footage about what's going on inside. For now, I'm just gonna let you know. I'm just gonna walk next to the trucks, and I'm gonna let you know who's coming with me, who's part of the crew. All right. And I know today is gonna be a really cool show, so stay tuned for a long day full of activities.
Yeah, that's what they did yesterday on mine. Yeah.
That's my buddy. He just bought that one about a month ago. That's a badass Grand National. Same thing. He's the owner of this one here too. Nice Blazer. This is my nephew's right here. This is my buddy's right here. Another friend. What's going on, baby?
Saca el drone, Georgie. Saca el drone.
I'm about to get it right now. Excuse me, buddy.
Oh, my bad.
That's right.
Hey, I got here so early.
Look at this bad boy.
I was just like cleaning and picking up the garbage and shit.
This is one of my buddies right here, and this is the other one right here. We brought two of them today. Two 6'4" Impalas right here. And this is the last one here. So this is our crew right here up to this point. From this one here, from this El Camino all the way to my truck. Yeah, this is us. So just like I said, stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot of footage, a lot of good stuff coming this way. Yeah, I'll get you more footage once I get in there.
Rockies American Racing's truck's perfect.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, man.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Got the boat speakers.
Oh, look at that.
Catch you later, Ronnie.
Picture of my truck on your shirt. That's nice.
Is that your truck or my truck?
I got a 95 that looks just like that. Yeah, different ways.
That's my truck. Thank you, man.
Seen about
I'm sure your truck looks cool.
It's all right. It's got a lot of miles on it.
Where's your truck?
I can tune it up. There's a lot out there. It's got 235,000 on it.
Oh no, that's good.
That 350
You know what?
won't quit.
It's just about right.
Yeah. There's your smell. Make sure he gives me a tag on that video. Give me a tag on that. Put it on the Instagram. Yeah.
It smells like 1980.
The avocado truck right here. Very special. Not every day. People say money can buy happiness. Yeah, right here. Hey, wait. Remember this.
I like that red on the front.
What's that one?
shit.
Sorry. Whoa.
Okay, this is my C10, the one that I also got.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's.
Get a fat ass truck.
Alright guys, and just like that, it's Monday. Saturday's show at DINO'S 2025 was a success. There was a lot of people there looking at the truck, enjoying the build, asking questions, admiring everything I've done to the truck, saying hi to me. And there was a few guys out there who are loyal subscribers who have watched. They watched the truck since day one. They've seen all the videos. Thank you guys for being there for me. Thank you for subscribing. And yeah, stay there because there's more. Also, there is another special person who showed up to the show, and that's you, Bill. Thank you, Bill, for being there for me. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Especially thanks because you flew from Pennsylvania all the way to Glendale. Yes, guys, Bill flew from Pennsylvania all the way to Glendale, Arizona to meet up with me and to to look at the truck. He wanted to look at the truck in person. He wanted to see the whole build, and he took a few pictures of the truck. I hope he finishes his project. He's got a Bill, I think you have a 1990 Silverado, I think. Put it down in the comment section below if I'm correct. I think you said it's a 1990, and you showed me a picture. It's a white truck just like mine. Yes, so special thanks to Bill for doing that. I know it's not easy. Not a lot of people would do that. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber, Bill. And all of you guys who are wondering who Bill is, I'm gonna post a picture right now. I'm gonna put up a picture of me and Bill at the show. Yep, that's my buddy Bill right there. All right, so thanks again, Bill. All right, so back to the video. You guys saw a little bit of footage there. It's not the most exciting footage. I was not able to record more than that because there was a lot of music playing everywhere, including myself. I was playing my system for a few hours there. I was showing it off, so there was a lot of music playing, so I couldn't record that much. But I think I recorded enough just to see what the show is all about. Also, I wasn't able to record more than what I wanted to because I was having fun. I was having fun with my friends, my family. There was a few friends and family members who attended the show for the first time. So I didn't want to focus on recording only. All right. Yeah. So I hope you guys like the show. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. There's also a few other guys who showed up, and they chat with me for a while, and they said they watched the build since day one. They've been watching the channel as well. So thank you guys too. I'm not forgetting about you guys. And because you guys, Bill, and all the loyal subscribers I have, that keeps me motivated to continue going, continue recording stuff for you guys. Yeah, so thanks again. What else? What else can I say? I think that's it, guys. There's gonna be more videos. There's gonna be more stuff about the truck. Before I forget, a little incident happened with the truck. Yes, at the show. Nothing crazy. All I can tell you guys right now is something happened to the truck. I'm gonna have to work on it and fix that issue. Nothing crazy, nothing bad, but that's just a little tease right there, so you guys can watch the next video. It's gonna be about the truck. Yeah, so thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned, and peace out.